Let's understand the basics of a circle. In this lecture, I'll make you clear the different terms that are used in a circle, like what is circumference, radius, diameter, semicircle, etc. Alright? So what is a circle? Let's see. Let us take a fixed point. Suppose the fixed point is O and a moving point P. Okay? Now, this moving point P moves in such a way that its distance when we measure from this fixed point, that is O, is always same. Okay? So what is the condition possible? The condition is this P should move in this path. The diagram, as you can see here on the screen. Okay? So this is the definition of circle. What is it? A circle is a locus traced out by a moving point which is equidistant, okay, which is equidistant from the fixed point. Here, the fixed point is called center of the circle, and the fixed distance from the center is called radius of the circle. And the path traced out, here you can see this circular path is traced out. This path traced out is called circumference of the circle. Okay, circumference. So I hope radius and circumference of circle you understood. Now let's come to diameter of circle. What is diameter? Diameter is a line segment that passes through the center of a circle and joins any 2 points on the circumference. So let us take any 2 points on the circumference in such a way that it passes through the center. Okay, suppose this B is another point, A is one point. Now let us join this AB passing through the center O. Now this line segment AB is called the diameter of the circle. Now this diameter, what it does, it bisects the circle, or you can say it divides the circle into 2 equal halves. So this side, half part of the circle, is called semicircle. Similarly, downside, it is another half part of the circle, it's also semicircle. So you should understand 2 semicircle makes a circle. Now let's understand about arc. What is arc? Arc is a part of circumference of a circle. Okay, so if you consider a circle as shown in the figure here, now let us take any 2 points on the circumference, suppose A and B. Now this A to B, there is a curved line, or you can say it is the part of the circumference. Okay, so it is called the arc. So what is arc? It is a part of the circumference of the circle. So it is denoted by ARC, AB, or symbolically like this symbol we use. Okay, arc AB. As you can see in the figure here, the part of the circumference we can take from up side also. Okay, from down to up this side. As you can see, I have used red ink to denote. Now this is also part of the circumference. Hence you can say it is also arc AB. The difference is that smaller arc is called minor arc and the bigger side one is called major arc. Okay. Now let's go to what is chord. What is chord? The line segment that joins any 2 points on the circumference. Any 2 points. Suppose here A and B already I have denoted. Now let us join these 2 points. Then what you will get? You will get a line segment. This line segment is called chord. Okay. This line segment is called chord AB. Alright. Now let's go to segment. What is called segment? The region enclosed by a chord and corresponding arc is called segment. The region enclosed by the chord, this AB is the chord, and its corresponding arc. Suppose this downside is smaller arc, minor arc AB if you take, then what is the region enclosed? The region enclosed is the shaded region here. By white ink I have shaded. Now this region is segment. Okay. The same thing you get upside also, or not? So this smaller segment is called minor segment and this bigger segment is called major segment. So tell me, what is this AB? If you join this AB, it is chord. So in a circle, how many chords possible, can you say? In a circle, infinite number of chords are possible, and all these chords are unequal in their length. And from here you can get the longest chord. So can you say which one is the longest chord? If O is the center of circle, then you can get one chord which passes through center O. So that chord which passes through center O is also called diameter. Hence you can say diameter is only the longest chord in a circle. Alright, diameter only is the longest chord in a circle. Okay, now let's understand what is sector. Sector is a region enclosed between any two radii and the corresponding arc of a circle. Okay, any two radii, suppose AB, let's say AO and OB are the two radii of the circle, and its corresponding arc, let us take this AB, smaller arc AB, okay, then this region is called sector. The same thing you get from upper part also. Major arc AB if we take, and the two radii again AO and OB, then this side also is sector. Smaller sector is called minor sector, and bigger sector is called major sector. Okay, now let's understand concentric circles. What are concentric circles? Can you get many circles? Tell me, can you get many circles having same center? Yes, we can get. If same center means same center of these all circles we want, then their radius we need to take different. So suppose this circle is C1, another circle C2, C3, C4, and like that. So circle C1 center is O, circle C2 center again it is O, C3 also O, C4 also center is O. Okay, their radius may be different. Alright, now many circles, if they have same center, then those all circles are called concentric circles. Okay, alright, now let's go to intersecting circles. What are intersecting circles? Let us take two circles which intersect each other at 2 points. So here two circles, suppose C1 and C2, they are intersecting each other at 2 points or not. So that points, let us suppose A and B. Clearly you can see these two circles C1 and C2 are intersecting at A and B. So these circles are called intersecting circles. So if two circles intersect each other at 2 points, they are said to be intersecting circles. Okay, now let's go to secant of a circle. What is secant of a circle? Suppose there is a circle and a line intersects the circle at 2 points. Okay, here you can see line AB is intersecting the circle at 2 points, that is P and Q. If any line intersects the circle at 2 points, okay, then that line now it is called as secant. That line is now called as secant. Okay, then what is tangent? What is tangent of a circle? If this line, the same line or any other line you can say, intersects the circle at only 1 point, what is the condition? The condition is it just touches the circle and moves away. Okay, so at only 1 point, then now this line AB is called tangent of the circle. So if the secant just touches the circle only, then that secant becomes tangent. Okay, so tangent means what? It intersects the circle at only 1 point, and this point is called point of contact. Okay, point of contact. So these are the terms that are used in a circle while we derive the theorems, while we do the deductions. So that is why these are very important. So I hope you have understood the basics of this circle. Now in our next class, we will see very much important theorems of the circle. Thank you very much.